a complete rafting boat. Oh. There we go. What do we have here? It's a carpet. Welcome back to another cleanup. Today we are cleaning up the banks of this river because, well, there's a lot of water in it and my gum boots are not made for those heights. So today we will just stick to those two banks and try to clean them up. Here's already our first find for today, plastic wrappers. And another plastic bottle. Oh, that's heavy. Can I get it out? It's looking good. It's a bucket. Found a bucket. A bucket full of dirt. Well, now I know why it was thrown away. Not really practical anymore. More candy packaging and another plastic bottle and more trash. What do we have here? I have no idea what that was. Very strange. Oh my god, it's a carpet. Somebody threw the carpet away and wrapped it up in this plastic sheet. Here, it's carpet. And a lot of fragments on the plastic sheet. There we go. It's all out. Plastic cups. And another plastic bottle. More planting pots. Deodorant. And what is this? Well, it's very stuck. Just fragments of plastic.
And another pot? Another plastic pot.
A football. Well, I think this one is no longer usable. Ryan, catch! There we go. We just found a motorcycle helmet. And plastic sheet, as always. And another deodorant. Oh, it still works. Almost empty, but smells good. Ryan, catch! And of course, more. Ow! 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 More styrofoam. We just found, I think it's an old rafting boat, and it's buried quite deep coming out. I got it. Ooh, that's heavy. That's heavy. It's a complete rafting boat. Ooh. Let's get it out. Please don't fall in. Here's another one. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's heavy. Oh.
There we go. It's out. Look at that. This was so heavy. With all the dirt inside of there and the water. But we got it out. Oh. Completely full.
Yes.
And if you needed a reason not to throw your trash away into nature, in this can there's a dead mouse that crawled in there and didn't manage to get out anymore, and it died. So don't be a jerk and throw your trash out into nature.